Okay, our final couple of problems here, examples, are going to be calculator problems. So this one says use the change of base formula in a calculator to evaluate each logarithm. So this one says round your answer to 3 decimal places. Well, here we have log base 5 of 18. Our calculator does not understand base 5. And if I were to try to solve this using the methods we've done before, where I would say, okay, for that change it over, 5 to some power equals 18, well, that would not be very easy to do. Because that's going to be, a decimal answer, and we just can't think of those off the top of our head. So we're going to have to use our calculator. The change of base formula says we can change this if I use natural log, or I could use log. I'm going to use natural log. We use the natural log of the argument divided by the natural log of the base. Now this our calculator will understand. So I'm going to type in the natural log of 18 divided by the natural log of 5. So that would be the natural log of 18. Now I'm going to close the parentheses because that's all I want to take the natural log of, divided by the natural log of 5. And now I'm closing the parentheses there also. So that looks like that's going to be rounded to 3 decimal places, 1.796. Okay, let me go back to my paper here. So it's approximately 1.796. Not too bad to use that change of base formula. Now where it really comes in handy is if you're having to graph something like this. I mean, there's just no way our calculator can understand that. But it will understand it if you change the base. We can rewrite this as y equals the natural log of the argument divided by the natural log of the base. Now this we can put into our calculator, and then we can choose the correct graph. So I'm going to put this in. If you need to just pause and write this down, go ahead. But I'm going to go ahead and go to my calculator. So I'm going to type in the natural log of x minus 2, and then close the parentheses, divided by the natural log of x plus 2, and close the parentheses. And now let's just do a nice zoom 6, and here's what our graph would look like. And now we could choose the correct graph.